Hey, I'm on the way home. Gotta get some stuff from the store so Jenny and I can finish making dinner. And I'll do a live stream tonight. But really quick, just to catch up. Obviously, my models are all holding really well. BNB trades breaking out. XRP is holding well, pretty close to my entry. VTHO, obviously, amazing model right there. It's performed exceedingly well. I got a lot of precision models out of this current reversal. I predicted the majors and the altcoins pretty damn well. So got 15% on VTHO, and that's a large position. So very happy about that because I have my short-term and long-term. Now sushi just dumped and stopped me out. It didn't stop me out of my long-term position, I guess, just maybe a short-term position. Now we're getting rejected right here. That's still pretty much the trend line. I'm not sure what's going to happen with that yet. Once she does eventually break out, it's going to be a massive breakout, though. BNT up at just shy of 50% fib retracement. We'll see what happens. See what happens with her. She's getting strong resistance now. Based on the hourly, she has to come back down. The 4 hours got some more time to run. She's getting rejected right at the top of the cloud. But if she can break the top of the cloud, she's going right up to the high 8s, 860, 880, not even a question. My Cody trade, gorgeous breakout, 15% now, getting above that trend line resistance. I expect her to continue up. She's going to be back above 50 cents by the time I wake up tomorrow at this rate. I think the 4-hour model takes her all the way up to the 382, maybe 44 to 46 cents somewhere. Then we're going to come down and correct for anywhere from 8 to 12 hours. After which we start another leg up, and that's when, as long as Bitcoin holds and doesn't make a huge dump, we should run up to 50 cents or above on Cody. Pretty confident about that. Huobi token, still holding right near my entry, but sitting on a lot of potential. OGN, looking good. Initial breakout, came back down a little bit, but overall, she's still very strong. Might need to get a short-term dip back to these supports, so I don't want to move my stop loss up yet on OGN. I'm going to let that play out. My CHZ trade, 25% breakout, now above the cloud. Perfect model. My Ichima dynamics right here, what did I say? 55 VMA, falling wedge, and we had a cloud wall right here. That vertical cloud wall is one of my favorite bullish signals, in addition to the falling wedge in conjunction. The confluence between those plus my Ichima dynamic supports, Ichima model, the Sith model, everything came together perfectly on the CHZ. Really happy about that model. And then same thing with Mana. Mana broke out exactly as predicted right off of that 55 VMA for that launch. I don't have my entry on this chart, but if you guys remember from last night, got in towards the bottom down there. So beautiful model on that. Now the majors, we'll see. My other stuff like longer term trades are all doing well, but the more recent short-term stuff is obviously holding well. Just like I anticipated, got the 99 EMA and the 50% fib retracement along with the top of the cloud. Beautiful example of the Ichima dynamic supports with confluence and coming together for a flawless breakout. And LTC, I expected LTC to stay above the cloud, and so far she is. If she continues upward here, she'll be back up to 208 right along the top of the cloud. Then she'll get substantial resistance if she gets up above 210. But let's see what happens. If she can build up enough speed, she can push through. But if BTC corrects, Litecoin's going to stop going up. And so far on this breakout, LTC has been a little bit slower, lagging behind Bitcoin. Then again, so is Ethereum. They need to do some catching up. And then I have some other longer term setups. My FIL trade, obviously that was a short term, high precision trade. 100% breakout for my entry. I'm just holding my long-term position now. I closed my short-term position for 75% profit. So now I'm sitting on about 100% profit. I'm still going to hold that. I'm going to let that ride. She's going to keep going. My ADA long-term position is doing really well. A few others. LRC is pumping hard. I don't know if I still have a long-term bag of LRC. I do. I do still have a long-term bag. I don't remember where I bought in, though, for the long-term position. Hopefully I bought in low enough that I'm sitting on profit now, but we'll have to see. Anyway, that's where we stand now on my current trades. I'll do a more detailed update later when we do a live stream tonight. But for now, having a really good day today, guys. All right, I'll catch up in a bit.